Like we really say, if you are reaching for ng do check, you're probably doing something wrong. So effect is not as like, so people are kind of treating it as almost this dangerous API, right? So we actually have APIs that we recommend you don't use unless you really have a strong use case. So if you think about ng do check, like we really say, if you are reaching for ng do check, you're probably doing something wrong, right? Like we probably think that usually, unless you have a very specific use case. We're saying effect isn't that severe, but could any of the other Signal APIs solve your problem? Could you do it in after render effect, for example? Could that be a better place for you to make your changes or whatever you're trying to do? And if you do want to use effect, if you do want to use it, we're thinking of it more of a like, okay, you know, this is a more advanced use case. So think of it more of about like it being an advanced use case than being like dangerous, right? Yeah. Alex
so
said,
if you're not exactly sure, don't just go crazy with it. Like you should be, if you don't really understand it, you probably shouldn't be using it. But if you're very clear on what it's used for, then it's okay. But maybe we should say like that's an advanced feature. You could say it like that. Like that would be an advanced feature. If you're a junior developer, leave it alone.
That's right.
Adult supervision.
And just make sure you've exhausted the other APIs before you reach for effect, right? Like I think that's a very safe path forward, is to think of it that way. Like, hey, you know, can any of the other Signal APIs that we've released give you what you want? Because some people were using effect to update other signals, right? Because they want to write a signal based on the reaction to another signal. Okay, so we have something for you for that now. That's actually designed to be a little bit more safe. Safe for you, not safe like memory safe, but safe for you as a developer. We got link signal now where you can look at the value of almost to compute it, right? And then say, oh, wait, I want to make a change. I want to write to a signal based on the value or change to another signal. So we say link signal or something like that.